Hello, here is today's trading review. OCR is thinly traded. I opened a short position at 33.94 and closed it at same price almost 20 minutes later. So let's look at the WYNN trade, WYNN. In our pre-market analysis, we find 108 is the bias line. Well, when the market opened, it immediately penetrated 108 and stayed above it for a while. So it was traded at 108.60, which is too far from 108. So I placed a limited buy order at 108.05. And about 10 minutes later, the price started falling. So I canceled my order and want to see it test the 108 level. Okay, to just trade around 108.60. Okay, then it dropped, and I canceled my order at 108.05 because I want to see some test on 108. So several minutes later, it broke 108 level, and I started looking for a short selling opportunity. Okay, my short order was filled at 107.90, and then in next several minutes, okay, almost 10 minutes, the buyers were quite strong and never let the price went beyond 107.80. So when price bounced back to 108, I closed my short position and wait on the sideline again. Okay, and price came back to 108 and it sit on 108 for a while. Okay, we can see that it just sit on the 108 and then start moving up. Okay, so I bought some at 108.17 and set my stop loss at 107.90. For this stock, this is a very, very tight stop. Then the price went higher and higher. It didn't show very strong buying power, but it went higher anyway, so it is good for me to hold the position. Just before I leave, I set the target price at 108.60 because that is the high of the morning session, right? Okay. Usually the first target means I would exit 1/3 or half of my position and use the trading stop to protect my position. Because I wouldn't watch it, so I decided to close the whole position at 108.60. I just set a limit order there. If you have time to watch the market, you can close half and ride the trend up until 109.25, which is the high of the previous two trading session. When I opened my chart this morning, and it just go far beyond the 108.60 level, it went 109.30. So it's a pretty good trade. So that's all for today's trading review. Happy trading and good night.